giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body, your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
To open a two-step with the buckle cover. In case of a loss of cabin pressure, masks like this will drop automatically from the panel above your head. Remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the strap, and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing. Put your own mask first before helping anyone else. The life jackets are stowed in a pocket beneath your feet or in the panel above your head. If it's needed, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front, and secure as shown. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Before takeoff, please study the safety card located within the area you are seated, as it includes important safety information.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair is absolutely delighted to welcome you all here to Santorini. We have arrived here on time. Ladies and gentlemen, we ask all passengers now to please remain in your seats with the seatbelt securely fastened just until the aircraft comes to its complete and final stop. Please take care when you're opening overhead lockers. Items of your baggage may fall out and cause injury. Passengers who smoke, we ask you not to do so until you reach your destination smoking area located outside of the main terminal building. For further information regarding Ryanair's new flights, new destinations, and the cheapest possible car rental, please feel free to check us out at ryanair.com. On behalf of the captain, your first officer, and the most important on-board crew today, it's been a pleasure looking after your stay. We hope to see you again very shortly on another Ryanair scheduled service. A pleasant stay in the local area or a safe forward journey to your final destination. From all of us aboard, thank you and a very good morning.
Love.